everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy Friday. I am back. Check it out. This is my third shirt change of the day. Seriously. So I was out of Lenny this morning. I had that shirt on and then I changed into my Scooby-Doo shirt because I had to do Glam Light. And then I stopped for a Scooby snack. I was eating and I got ketchup all over my Scooby-Doo shirt. So now we are on shirt number 3. So, oh my gosh, you guys, what a day. I got a lot of stuff for you guys today because Memorial Day weekend and all the sales are rolling out. New stuff is rolling out. And if you saw my video earlier with Lenny, while we were doing the video, the doorbell rings. The doorbell rings, and guess what I got? I got the Goose Creek Cupcake collection, which I didn't even know was a thing. I got them and then I look on the website and I'm like, yep, the Goose Creek Cupcake collection is live. So we are going to talk about these. I'm so excited. We're just going to dig in. This weekend candles are 6 for $60. It does include the strawberry shortcake collection. So first up, I've been wanting a cupcake collection. You know that. This is the strawberry cupcake candle. This one is strawberry pound cake, dense vanilla, sweet icing, and sugar. Oh, it smells good. It smells just like a strawberry cupcake. I gotta say, Goose Creek, these designs, people are gonna be loving these cupcake candles. Yeah. Next up, I gotta start burning these, you guys. Next up, we have watermelon. I didn't even know watermelon cupcake was a thing, but it is. It's vanilla cupcake, sweet cream, pink watermelon, and buttercream. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, pink watermelon, cream cupcake. It's a thing. I want a watermelon cupcake now. I didn't even know this was a thing. Look at this jar. These are stunning. Oh my gosh, Goose Creek is doing such a good job this year on the foodie candles. Okay, next up, this is just vanilla buttercream. It's vanilla buttercream, you guys. Vanilla buttercream. Warm vanilla bean, whipped butter, buttercream, and cake and sugar. Oh, these smell so fresh and so rich. This one is amazing. I'm loving the cupcakes collection, you guys. Next up, we have, you guys aren't going to believe this one. I didn't show this one earlier. It is peanut butter vanilla. Are you kidding me? It's peanut butter vanilla. Vanilla sugar, creamy peanut butter, sweet dough, and buttercream. It smells just like peanut butter and vanilla and sugar. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited about this candle. Look at this. It's the peanut butter vanilla candle. Okay, then we have the limoncello. I cannot believe there's a limoncello. I had to stop the video. My husband just went out to walk Coco and then he came back and there's a lot of commotion going on. Okay. Limoncello. Oh my gosh. This one is vanilla pound cake, lemon, orange, and creamy icing. This one is really good, you guys. I almost smell coconut in here. I don't know if there's coconut in here, but the orange and lemon mixed together smell absolutely fabulous. That's my that's my tagline of the day. Absolutely fabulous. And then this is Lenny's favorite. We were smelling these after we got off camera. We're like, oh my gosh, these are so good. Butterscotch is creamy butterscotch, cake batter, caramel icing, and vanilla. Oh my gosh, this is so spot on, wonderful, you guys. Butterscotch, if you like butterscotch. And there's a 7th one. Oh my gosh, I don't have the 7th one, but it's warm fudge cupcake. It is warm fudge, milk chocolate, frozen vanilla, and sugar. Oh my goodness, you guys. I gotta get my hands on that one. So, yeah, this cupcake, I can't even talk, cupcakes collection, it's absolutely fabulous. It really is. I keep saying that. The watermelon, the lemon, the strawberry. I'm so excited to get a peanut butter candle. Seriously, peanut butter Goose Creek. I think that may be the first one that I review, but I am so happy that Goose Creek gave us a cupcakes collection. This is totally amazing. And I'm going to start reviewing these. Let me know which one you want me to do first. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.